Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing for sale. 1.8 hectare irrigated rice field located in Barangay Kasati, Ubay, Bohol. So it has a rice field, or it is a rice field, guys. Along concrete road and wide frontage, or along provincial road. So this is the property, guys. It's along to the big irrigated canal. So it's a good place for the rice field. And if you want to have a duck farming, very good, guys, because it is really a good location and it has so many water. So you here in this portion, you can convert into a duck farming. So pwede siya sa mga itikan. So maganda dito. Pwede ka pa rin makabahay o maglagay ng bahay dyan. So you need to fill up. So lagyan mo ng lupa para ma-level sa karsada or ihanging mo na lang. So pwede yan malagay ang bahay. So very nice ang location din. Ubay is a progressive town with so many improvements like malls, public market, developed roads, many more. So it's a 2 hours drive from Tagbilaran City, 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. It has also beaches, or if you want to have white sand beaches, it's around Anda, just few minutes or less than an hour. And there is also beaches in Ubay. May mga beach din sa Ubay. Then from Chocolate Hills, it's around 1 hour drive or less than 1 hour. So yan po ang Ubay. It's a big barangay with 45. It's a big town with 45 barangay. Oh, that's me. So nagdepende lang sa atin kung ano talaga ang gagawin. The price is 2.5 million pesos negotiable. So pwede pa siya ma-negotiate. Or you can convert it into a rice mill area. So pwede ka maglagay ng rice mill dyan. Marami tayong magagawa sa location. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. And if you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. So, pwede tayo makabinta sa inyong mga property. And please subscribe para kung gusto kayong bumili ng mga farm dito sa Bohol, may marami tayong may bibigay. So, maganda na sa Bohol, guys, because it's progressive. Good roads na. Maganda na talaga. Okay. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.